You've got the Flow WMS app and you want to receive items by scanning the barcodes on the items and save them fast. This video shows courier companies and freight forwarders how to do just that using the Flow WMS app for a blind receiving process. Blind receiving means you don't have information about the incoming items, no existing warehouse receipt in your Magaya supply chain, and these items are not defined in your system with part numbers. I'll show you the blind receiving procedure using only the app, not a dimensioner. Our other videos in this series show how the dimensioner works with the app. From the app home screen, tap Blind Receive. Fill in the info or tap Skip. Scan the item barcode. If your Magaya system was set up to accept a barcode that it doesn't recognize, then the app will create the item. If it was set up to ask if you want to create it, click OK. Add a location. This is required. Set a default receiving location to avoid adding this each time. Choose any of these options as needed. Add more info or photos. You can add these now or later. Print a label. Repack items. Tap Save. Tap Submit. Scan and receive the next item. In your Magaya system, the scanned items appear in the warehouse receipt. More details can be added in Magaya or in the app. That's it for fast receiving with the Flow WMS app when you don't have information about the incoming items, no existing warehouse receipt in your Magaya system, and you're not using a dimensioner. See the other videos in this series for more scenarios using the app, including with the dimensioner. Thanks for watching.